In the dynamic landscape of technology, one trend is set to soar in 2024: 3D printing. Join us on this journey as we explore the captivating advancements in materials, processes, and applications that are reshaping industries worldwide. 3D printing, once a niche technology, is now at the forefront of innovation. From revolutionizing manufacturing and healthcare to transforming the way we build, its applications are vast and diverse. Imagine products seamlessly appearing on retail shelves, a new era of e-commerce, and breakthroughs in healthcare and aerospace, all thanks to the scale of 3D printing for mass production. But as we delve deeper into the trends of 2024, the industry is at a crossroads. Quality and stability take precedence over speed, signaling a shift in adoption approaches. The question is, how can you leverage this technological wave to your advantage? The answer lies in understanding and implementing the right solution. Meet the different types of 3D printing technologies, each with its unique approach and capabilities. Stereolithography, SLA laser precision solidifying layers of resin, crafting intricate designs. Selective laser sintering, SLS high-powered lasers fusing particles into a mass with the desired 3D shape. Fused deposition modeling, FDM extruding thermoplastic material layer by layer, bringing ideas to life. Digital light process, DLP, a rapid flash of light creating layers simultaneously, akin to SLA. Multi-jet fusion, MJF agents selectively fusing areas for high detail and rapid production. Polyjet, liquid photopolymer droplets layer by layer, achieving precision. Direct metal laser sintering, DMLS, a laser fusing metal powders into robust 3D objects. Electron beam melting, EBM harnessing an electron beam to melt and fuse metal powders. These technologies redefine how plastic and metal parts are formed, offering options in material selection, surface finish, durability, and manufacturing speed and cost. Now, how can you harness the power of 3D printing in your realm? Explore the possibilities, consider the materials, and envision the impact on your industry. The key lies in embracing the right technology for your unique needs. From prototyping to custom production, 3D printing is not just a technology, it's a strategic tool for success. 3D printing, once a niche technology, is now at the forefront of innovation. From revolutionizing manufacturing and healthcare to transforming the way we build, its applications are vast and diverse. Meet the different types of 3D printing technologies, each with its unique approach and capabilities. Stereolithography, SLA laser precision solidifying layers of resin, crafting intricate designs. Selective laser sintering, SLS high-powered lasers fusing particles into a mass with the desired 3D shape. Let's dive deeper into the differences between stereolithography, SLA, and selective laser sintering, SLS. Process. SLA uses an ultraviolet, UV, laser to cure photosensitive resin into layers. SLS employs a laser to fuse small particles of plastic, metal, glass, or ceramic powder into a solid object. Surface finish and tolerances. SLA produces parts with tighter dimensional tolerances and a superior surface finish, akin to injection molded parts. SLS parts may require additional work to match surface finish, but it produces parts with tighter tolerances and is generally tougher. Material. SLA is ideal for parts with high-quality, smooth surface finishes. SLS is known for using engineering-grade materials, suitable for durable, high-strength parts with better heat and chemical resistance. Lead time and production. SLS generally has a shorter lead time and can produce more parts per day. SLA provides higher resolution and can achieve tighter tolerances. These differences make each technology suitable for specific applications based on factors such as surface finish, part strength, material properties, and production speed. Now, how can you harness the power of 3D printing in your realm? Explore the possibilities, consider the materials, and envision the impact on your industry. The key lies in embracing the right technology for your unique needs. Now, let's shine a spotlight on stereolithography, SLA, 3D printing technology, a game-changer with a myriad of advantages that are reshaping the landscape of precision manufacturing. High precision. Narrator on screen with precision visuals. SLA boasts unparalleled precision, depositing layers of resin ranging from 0.05 mm to 0.10 mm, curing each layer with fine laser light. Ideal for producing prototypes with a precise and realistic finish. Smooth surface finish. Visuals of finished products, SLA stands out with its ability to produce parts boasting an exceptionally smooth surface finish. Perfect for applications requiring high-quality, detailed, and aesthetically pleasing prints. Variety of resins. Images of resin options. With a wide range of resin materials, SLA offers manufacturers flexibility, allowing them to choose from several options to meet specific application requirements. Shorter printing time for large objects. Time-lapse of large object printing. Contrary to common belief, SLA can efficiently 3D print larger objects without sacrificing precision, making it suitable for various object sizes. Higher build volume. Visuals of build volumes. Supporting higher build volumes, SLA enables the creation of objects and prototypes of varied sizes, up to 50 by 50 by 60 cubic centimeters, without compromising precision. Unbeatable accuracy. Close-ups of intricate models. Large-format SLA 3D printing achieves unbeatable accuracy, making it suitable for producing highly complex models and transparent parts with minimal visible layer lines. These advantages make SLA 3D printing technology well-suited for applications that demand high precision, a smooth surface finish, and a diverse range of material options. Disadvantages of SLA 3D printing. Cost. Visuals of cost comparisons. While SLA offers unmatched precision, it comes at a cost. SLA 3D printing can be more expensive than alternatives such as fused deposition modeling (FDM). Limited build volume. Comparison of build volumes. Some SLA 3D printers may have limited build volumes, which could pose challenges for larger or complex parts. Post-processing. Time-lapse of post-processing steps. SLA 3D printing may require post-processing, including cleaning and curing, adding time and cost to the overall production process. Resin and UV light exposure. Safety visuals. It's crucial to note that some resins used in SLA printing are toxic and require proper handling. Additionally, UV light exposure during the process can be harmful to operators. Messy process. Cleanup visuals. SLA 3D printing can be a messy process involving liquid resin, which can be challenging to clean up and hazardous if not handled properly. While SLA 3D printing opens doors to unparalleled precision, these advantages come with considerations. Cost, build volume limitations, post-processing steps, and safety precautions should all be weighed when evaluating its use for specific applications. Now equipped with a deeper understanding of SLA 3D printing, you can strategically apply this technology to revolutionize your manufacturing processes. Explore its strengths, consider its limitations, and make informed decisions that will shape the future of your industry. From intricate prototypes to large-scale production, SLA 3D printing is not just a method, it's a pathway to precision and innovation. As we've uncovered the intricacies of stereolithography, SLA, 3D printing, it's evident that precision and innovation are at your fingertips. Now, armed with this knowledge, it's time to embark on a journey of transformation. Imagine the impact on your industry, from the creation of prototypes with unmatched precision to the production of sleek, detailed, and functional parts. This is the future, and you have the power to shape it. Don't just witness the revolution, be a part of it. Explore the potential of SLA 3D printing, revolutionize your manufacturing processes, and redefine what's possible. Hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all the latest trends, innovations, and breakthroughs in the world of 3D printing. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on an episode. And for those of you craving even more in-depth insights, check out our other videos. Simply click right here to start your journey into precision and innovation. Ready to shape the future, one layer at a time? Head over to our website for exclusive resources and deep dives into the world of SLA 3D printing. Subscribe, explore, innovate. This is your channel for the future. Thank you for being part of the revolution.